Hey everyone, Rick here with the Ditch Pig. I'm pretty excited today, and I'm going to tell you why. Because the last time I looked at my phone, it said the Ditch Pig experience is 7 subscribers away from 1,000. That's incredible. I'm super stoked. I can't thank you guys enough for helping me out with that, because I can't do it without you, obviously, because I'm not 1,000 people. Some people might not see that as a big achievement, but for me, it is. I didn't know how long it was going to take. I've been looking forward to this for a while. Now the next hurdle to jump through is watch hours. I need 4,000 watch hours, and I'm sitting right around 1,000 right now. That's going to be a bit of a hurdle to jump through. Hopefully we can get that taken care of sooner than later. Once that happens, I'm monetized. I'm going to be earning money from ad revenue. Obviously, I have no plans of quitting my job anytime soon and becoming a full-time YouTuber. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. Whatever I earn, I earn. So yeah, that being said, I was pretty stoked to see that this morning when I woke up, that people just started hammering that subscribe button and burning through the last few subscribers that I need to hit 1,000. But one thing that sucked is this. So yeah, I've had a slow leak on this thing for a while because of a slice that was in the tire. I'll show you that when I get it off. It's in the sidewall, so I just stuffed the plug in it. That didn't work. I stuffed another plug in it and it seemed to hold. The slice had been there for quite a while, but it didn't leak period before. But I was hauling a load of wood there one day, got home, was parked in the backyard, and I could hear it hissing. I'm gonna try and fix that today. I'll show you guys what it's all about when I get it off. Okay, so here's the slice in the tire here. It wasn't a hole at first, but then after getting ripping and tearing, it did start to leak a little bit, enough that you could hear it. I took a torch and melted that and smeared it and sealed it up as best I could, but after you drive it for a bit, it just starts leaking again. I'm gonna put a patch on the inside of it, nice heavy duty patch, and then I'm gonna buy some of that coal vulcanizing stuff and do the outside with that. So that should fix the problem. Yeah, I know you're not supposed to mess with sidewall stuff, but you know what? 700 bucks for one of these tires. I'm gonna fix it.
"32 bolts later."
Okay, so I don't think I'm going to be able to get this off the bead in the back. So I've got this geared up, just a ratchet strap going up to the box. That way I can get in here and work on it. The spot that I need to fix is down in the bottom. So I think I'll be able to reach it, no problem. I'll just put the light in here and give you guys a view of it. That's where it's going to be fixed, right there. So I'll just slice off those 2 plugs. So I got the plug cut off. That's what it looks like. Now I'm just going to take the sander. I'm going to clean off any of those ridges that are naturally on the carcass from when it was molded. Get it smooth as I can, but with a rough texture to it so that the patch will stick. This is what I got for a patch. So that should work out pretty good. All right, I got her cleaned up. I think I got her ready to go here to put a patch on it. The grinder didn't work out so great, so I switched to this. This worked awesome. All right, so I got this cleaned up here. There's where the plugs were. I just cleaned the roughness off the carcass here, the texture to it, and these ribs, just so the patch will fit better and adhere to the side wall better. So yeah, you just paint some of this on the spot that you want to apply the patch. Peel this backing off the patch right here. Once you put it on, you run this tool over it 1,000,000 times and it should hold air. At least that's my understanding of it. Now keep in mind, this isn't a how-to video, this is how I did it video, so I am not a professional. So yeah, so just use your own discretion, I guess is the term we should use. Okay, I got the patch applied. That's what it looks like. Should be good to go. You'll know if it holds air, because if it doesn't, then you'll see another video about me fixing the tire. No, I'm sure it's gonna work. So yeah, that was just a quick video to talk about the tire issue. There is another issue with the truck right now. I'm having problems with my clutch is losing pedal. I think it's the slave cylinder, which is internal now, but I haven't seen any oil leaking out of the bell housing, so not really sure what's going on there. I'm gonna have to look into that more. So that's probably another video for another day. But yeah, basically I just want to come on and say thanks to everyone for hitting that subscribe button. I think tonight it's gonna crest 1,000. It's getting really close. So anyway, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
4 hours later.
Oh my God, 32 bolts.